What is up? This is Des, and today I have a Workout Wednesday for you. I have another abs and legs workout for you guys, so let's get to it. Today I'm starting with a 5-minute jump roping session for my warm-up. You guys can do whatever you want, but I'm actually doing a 21-day jump rope challenge, so I'm starting with that. Today we're going to be doing 3 rounds, and we're starting with 20 toe taps. Next, we're going to be doing 10 reverse crunches. Then we have 20 leg crosses. Next, we have 25 flutter kicks. And then a 20-second wall sit. And then we have 10 windshield wipers. I've heard them called different things like spinal rocking, but I know that might not be what it actually is. After about a 20-second rest, we'll start again with our round 2. The same workouts all over again. So 20 toe taps. Again, it's the 10 reverse crunches, and you want to make sure you're having controlled movements. You don't want to rock backwards. For the flutter kicks, you don't have to go all the way up. If you can't, you can always change your range of motion to be smaller. And then we have the leg crosses. You can also bring your legs lower, but I felt more comfortable at this level. And then for the windshield wipers that we're calling them, you can go as far down as you can. You don't have to go all the way down if you can't reach that far. Eventually, with time, you will be able to get lower. And then again, you'll do another 20 to 25 second break, and you'll start over with round 3, all of the workouts. For the wall sit, you want to make sure that your legs are bent at 90 degrees, just so that you don't hurt your knees. You don't want to have your knees passing your toes. So once we've completed the 3 rounds, we always want to stretch. Super important. And I'm stretching my legs. Since I was jump roping, my calves feel really tight, so I gotta stretch those out. And then I'm gonna stretch my neck because it's still bothering me from when I was doing the messed up jumping jacks, I guess. And then I'm going to do a full body stretch where I reach up into the air, bring my arms down, bending at the hips, all the way to the ground, touching my feet, my toes. Since I did a lot of ab workouts today, I'm going to go ahead and do a cat-cow stretch so that I can stretch out the abdominal muscles. And you're done. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video and want to see more like this, give me a thumbs up. Be on the lookout for that jump rope challenge, and I'll see you next time. Bye!